Hey everyone, to download and install Anaconda, which you can run Python and stuff in, you can just Google anaconda.com and you can click the first link and then go up to the top right and press download, and then press download again, and you want Python 3.7, and then I already have it downloaded, but most of you guys probably have a 64-bit, so click on 64-bit. And then it'll install at the bottom right of your screen. If you like the video so far, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for future Python content. And if you want to support me, you can sign up on Robinhood on the link in the description and you'll receive a free stock. Thank you. Also, I forgot to mention really quick, but I've up on this menu right here, I've Windows clicked because I have a Windows device. But if you have Mac or Linux, make sure you click on the respective platform. Once you've downloaded and run the setup for Anaconda, you just look it up really quick and run the Anaconda navigator. That's what most of you people are going to be wanting to use, and it'll be loading right here, and it takes just a second but not too long. And now once it's loaded, the easiest place to actually start working with Python is in here instead of Jupyter Notebook. So you can just launch this, and I already have a bunch of downloads and stuff in here anyway, but if you just want a new Python 3 file, go to new and then Python 3, and then anything you type in here will automatically be Python. So if you do like 1 + 1 and run the cell, it'll be 2, or let me scroll up a little bit. Or also if you wanted to like make some text or something, you can go to this button right here and change this to markdown. Now if you run like text overload and then run this cell with Control Enter, then you can see now it's text. Alright, thanks for watching.